In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Figma prototype. Sharing your Figma prototype is a crucial step once you've crafted your interactive design. Whether you're presenting to stakeholders, gathering user feedback, or collaborating with your team, knowing how to efficiently distribute your work ensures everyone experiences your design as intended, fostering valuable insights and smooth project progression. This process makes it incredibly easy to get your designs in front of the right people quickly and effectively. The first step to sharing your prototype involves clicking the present icon, which you'll find located in the upper right-hand corner of your Figma interface. This icon typically looks like a small play button or a triangle pointing right. Clicking it doesn't immediately share your prototype, but rather launches it into what's called presentation mode. This action opens your prototype in a new browser tab or window, showcasing it in a full-screen, interactive environment. Think of this as a live preview where you can navigate through your design as if it were a finished application or website. This mode is excellent for reviewing the user flow, testing interactions, and confirming everything works as you intended, preparing it perfectly for sharing with others. Once you are in presentation mode, you'll notice a slightly different interface optimized for showcasing and sharing. Within this view, look for and click on the Share Prototype button. This button is usually clearly labeled and often appears as a distinct share icon or text at the top of the presentation window. Clicking it will bring up a dedicated sharing dialog box or pop-up. This is your central hub for configuring how your prototype will be shared, providing various options to control access and customize the experience for your recipients. This interface is designed for flexibility, allowing you to choose whether to generate a public link, invite specific individuals, or even get an embed code for websites. After you've clicked Share Prototype and the dialog appears, you'll find a field where you can enter the email address of the person or people you wish to invite. Simply type in their full email address. If they're part of your organization or existing Figma contacts, the system might offer suggestions as you type. Accuracy here is key to ensure your prototype reaches the correct recipients. In this same dialog, you'll typically find options to set permissions for the shared link. For prototypes, the default and most common setting is Can View, which means recipients can interact with your prototype but cannot make any changes to your original design file. This view-only access is ideal for presentations and feedback sessions. You might also have the opportunity to add a personalized message along with the invitation, providing context or specific instructions to the recipient. Once you've entered the email, confirmed the permissions, and added any message, you can finalize the sharing process. And that's how you can effectively share your Figma prototype, ensuring your designs are easily accessible for review, collaboration, and valuable feedback.